child, we all look bad right now.
I put my face on.
Listen, it's 8:30 and I'm going to Walmart. Happy Friday. So it's 7:30 and I am about to fix my coffee and start making product because that needs to be done today. So yeah, like I said, I am going to do this vlog style. So it gives me, I can do like a day in the life of an entrepreneur, so y'all can like kind of see like my processes. And yeah, so let's get to it. so I just finished printing out everything that I need for my products. I got all my labels printed out, and I have all my signage that I'm going to have up tomorrow printed as well, and the raffle tickets are also printed out. So now what I need to do is call the place that I get my product from and see if they have pulled my order yet, so for pickup, so I can go pick that up. I need to go to the bank and get some change for tomorrow, and I also need to pick up some other things that I needed for tomorrow. But yeah, y'all, I'm like super excited. This is my first pop-up shop, so like this is the first time y'all will ever see this process. It won't be the last, but it'll be the first time that y'all ever see me go through this process of getting my orders together and whatnot. But it's getting done, and I'm super excited. So yeah, like I said, I'm trying to do this vlog style, but there will be some clips in here where I'm not speaking. But yeah, I just want to, you know, give y'all a little update on what I was doing in this moment. All right, guys, so far I have my containers laid out in sets per se, so I can like already know, okay, like this is a set of 8 and this is a set of 8. So I'm doing 8. I'm doing 8 of each scent in a set, and then, you know, people can buy them separately if they want to, but you know, just in case people want the full set, I'll have the full set of 8 for each one. So this is what this is looking like. I have officially taken over the dining room table, and I did end up finally running out of my white jars because I didn't really care for the white jars, and I was moving into black jars. So now I will be officially using my black jars for my scrubs as well as for the butters. And the only thing about the black jars with the butters, they don't look like they're 4 ounces, but they are 4 ounces. They're just not as round as the other bottles. These are more cylinder than round, so they do look a little different, but they are the same size. I did get this box here for the Mother's Day gift, so I'll stuff it and put a full lavender set in there. And then these are the little bags that I got out of Hobby Lobby, and I thought they were really cute, and they really like set the tone for the weekend. So I have those. Y'all saw my labels earlier, and y'all, I'm tired. I still haven't eaten, and I don't know why this house phone ringing, because we don't answer that. And then here are all my bottles, y'all. And I'm like, why do I have so many extra bottles? It's because I was doing 8 of each, and I did not realize that before I started labeling them, because these bottles, I'm just going ahead and labeling them so that I can just, you know, put them out there this way. All right, y'all, so I have come to the realization that I may run out of oil, which means I am going to have to leave the house and go find more, because I don't think I'm gonna finish this. So I refilled the current bottle that I have. It's 54 ounces. I refilled that with my gallon jug that I got today. So I've refilled this twice now. Excuse me, this is the second refill of this gallon jug that I have. And I still have 3, 6, 7. I still have 32 bottles to fill. 32 4 ounces. What's 32 times 4, y'all? Because that's gonna tell me, like, that's gonna be my dead giveaway right there. All right, y'all. So all of the oils are finally done. This is what they look like in the bottle. This is a pineapple one, if it'll focus. It does not want to focus on the bottle. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is a pineapple body oil. Has my logo on it and the ounces. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's a clear bottle with a white top. And it's a poly top. So that just means it has a little flip on it. But yeah. This is 40. This is 48 of the bottles of oil. I did make 50. I did an extra Miami mango flavor of oil, and then I have an extra lavish lavender, and that one is going inside the Mother's Day box. But I am done with the oils. I'm gonna go ahead and take this box and put it in my car because the oils can sit like that. And yeah, then all right, y'all, so apparently Donisha's not prepared for this, and I'm going back to the store again. And I hate Walmart so much, so freaking much. And I gotta go back, and Shay is with me.
Hi guys, I look bad right now. I'm gonna look better tomorrow.
Child, we all look bad right now.
I put my face on.
Listen, it's 8:30 and I'm going to Walmart.
Not even nowhere near done.
Nowhere near it. And I just had this feeling that this was gonna be an all-day thing. I knew it. That's why I just blocked my schedule off for work today, because I already knew. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to work and do this. And I'm just glad I made that conscious decision. But when I tell y'all, God got my back, because if I wouldn't have bought them 2 oils, I wouldn't have made it. I'd still be feeling oil, because I would have had to go back to the store and get more oil. Morning, guys. What's today?
Saturday.
Happy Saturday. We are out here at the St. Augustine Outlets doing a pop-up shop. We do have all the product here that we did not finish making until 1 o'clock last night. So we're tired and in pain, but we're gonna push through. So come out and see us. Hey y'all.
Let me hurry up so my junk start
melting. Yeah.
I can't eat it too fast either to get the thing.
So y'all, this event, it was not a total bust. It wasn't a total bust, but it could have been better. I don't think anybody made money. The hot dog people, they made money because they had food. And then the Italian ice lady, which I love her, y'all. I'm adopting her to the family.
I like hollows. I'm just gonna do it later.
But yeah, she made money because, I mean, it's Italian ice. So,
yeah, and it's hot. And
it's hot out here. But yeah, I paid for 2 weekends, and I don't even think I'm coming the next weekend.
It's kind of wrong how she did the people.
Yeah, so like, okay, so everybody paid $40 to be out here, right? The lady who did the event, oh Jesus, the lady who did the event, she left at 1. It was 1, right, when she left?
Yeah, about.
The event was 10 to 5. She charged everybody $40. It was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 people out here.
That's about a good $5.50.
Tell y'all how much she made.
For being out here for. Oh,
She made $600 just off us being here.
You add your extra 40 in there?
$640 because I paid for 2 weekends like an idiot. But it's okay because I mean, I did make both them $40 back.
You did.
I did make both them $40 back, so I don't really feel bad. And that, like, I don't think she really advertised very well of like who was gonna be out here. She just kept saying it was a pop-up event.
Yeah, she should have put the vendors on.
She should have
flyer.
started adding the vendors in when she was posting about it. I think that would have helped a lot with traffic. But
the best part about it is that you made connections.
Right.
So many.
And that's why I said it wasn't a total bust, because I did make a lot of connections. I made connections. Shoot, I got invited to the house.
And I look better today. I like a bum yesterday.
This is good.
It is. She gotta come to the house.
Yeah.